All right guys, what's going on? So we got some amazing quesadillas today. I'm gonna bust out the Weber kettle grill. I'm gonna get some chicken thighs. We're gonna marinate those up. We're gonna grill everything up and make some little cheesy goodness. And it's gonna taste freaking awesome. So stick around guys, check it out. Here we go. All right, so what I got here is about 2 1/4 pounds of some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Just gonna get these out of the package. All I'm gonna do is just go through, and you got this little fat right here. I'm just gonna cut out any little parts of fat sticking off. Doesn't have to be perfect. So in my opinion, if you're ever doing tacos, I always feel like dark meat is the go-to meat if you're gonna do any tacos or like a burrito or something like that. Because chicken breasts are pretty boring. I mean, if you're trying to eat lean or trying to eat healthy, go with chicken breast. But other than that, I always find that the chicken thighs taste the best. All right, so I got this chicken all trimmed up, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a quick marinade on this, but before I do that, I'm going to sprinkle on some adobo. This is El Mexicano adobo seasoning. I'm just gonna lightly just go over the top. Get a good amount of seasoning on everything. Get yourself a bowl. I got a gallon Ziploc bag. I'm just gonna place it in there. Just get all that chicken in there. I'm gonna drizzle in some avocado oil. Couple tablespoons. Got the juice of 1 lime going in. Little handful of cilantro. Got a couple of serrano chilies diced up. A little bit of white onion. If I had some garlic cloves, I'd throw them in there, but I'm gonna use just some garlic powder. Just a little sprinkle. All right, there you go. Just gonna mush that around a little bit. All right, I'm gonna give this a couple hours in the fridge. I don't wanna let it go too long because the acid and the lime juice, it might start cooking the chicken a little bit. So I'm just gonna try to get it out in time, and then we're gonna throw it on the grill, and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do next. All right, so obviously you need some kind of filling to go in these quesadillas, so I got a couple of things of corn right here. I'm gonna peel these, throw them on the grill. I got some pepper jack cheese and some avocado, and so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grill the corn and the avocado and a little bit of lime. I'm gonna make kind of like a corn salad to stick in there, and I'm gonna finish everything off on the flat top, the Blackstone. So I'm gonna get all this off. This shit is messy as hell. I don't need a lot of corn for this. I just wanna get all this, I don't know what you call it, silk or whatever it is. Just take it off. There's still some stuff on there. It's gonna burn off when I grill it, so it's fine. Got a lime. Got this avocado. So what I'm gonna do with this is do very thin hash marks, like super thin. Then I'm gonna put it on the grill. Then after that, I'm gonna scoop it out and just mix it all with the corn and all the other ingredients. So. All right, I'm gonna start out with the corn. That's gonna take the longest. I just wanna get a good char on it. A lot of people will cook it indirect and then char it off after, but I find it doesn't even make a difference that much, so I'm just gonna do it all on the direct heat. So originally I was gonna cook this chicken on the Blackstone griddle, but it just makes sense to finish this on the charcoal since I got it going right now. So I'm gonna cook this and finish off the quesadillas inside. It's just gonna be easier like that. All right, first I'm gonna grab the corn, cut these in half to make it more manageable to work with. Just slice down the sides. All right, I'm gonna get this into a bowl. Got that avocado. I'm gonna get that lime juice in there. Got a couple serrano chilies. I'm just gonna slice down the middle and just dice these up. A little bit of onion, cilantro, I got a little bit of queso fresco. You could use cotija also if you want to use that. I'm just going to cut off a chunk. Just break it up. And just to bind this together, I got a little bit of Mexican sour cream. I'm just going to put probably like a tablespoon or two. Just a little bit, not too much. You're not really going to need any salt because the cheese is kind of salty, so it's all good. Don't worry about it. Give it a taste, make sure it tastes good. Hell yeah, of course. So what I'm going to be doing is making these small little quesadillas with this New Mexico tortilla company tortillas. Like I told you before, I got this pepper jack cheese. I'm going to grate that up and we're going to make the quesadillas. It's not rocket science. Everyone knows how to make a quesadilla, so here we go. Alright, so there it is, guys, some super easy quesadillas on the grill. And you actually do taste the char on the chicken and the corn. Everything else, I don't know if it's necessary to grill everything, but I 100% approve of these quesadillas. I appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Peace out.